my name is Sumi and I'm joined here with... What's your name?
Mr. Hero!
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna clean up the backyard!
Hooray!
Are you excited?
Yes! I'm Mr. Hero, I can clean up. Let's go. Prawn. Where's Prawn? I'm looking for Prawn. He wants to sit on my...
Hero, are you ready to go?
Yes! I'm ready to go. Let's go. Oh, it's messy there.
Oh my god, Hero, it's such a big mess.
My friend is here.
Where's your friend?
There. With the
Hooray!
t-shirt shirt 5%.
Go call him.
Prawn! Prawn! Come here right now. Help me.
Who is that?
Prawn.
Is your friend gonna help us?
Yes! Prawn, come out. Listen. Prawn, can you pick this up with me? Prawn, what you doing? There's it to open. I will do it. C2, can you help me? Help me! Help me! A jeep is too heavy. I'm going into jeep. Bye.
Since Hero and his friend are really small, I'm here to help them and pick up the mess. Yay! Ready?
No blood!
Let's go! Yay!
The jeep is heavy, Prawn.
Hero, let's pick up one more. Come on.
Dun, 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 dun.
Hooray!
Can you close the trunk now? Good job. See you later.
Put bell on. Put bell on, Prawn. Be safe. Oh,
Bye.
this way. Would you have me? Don't move it, would you? Let's go.
Hooray!
I'm Mr. Hero. I done it. Thanks for watching. Watch my next video. I get clean one best. Bye. Love you.